Hey guys, and it's time to talk about Samsung's biggest secret. Yes, do you know they are actually working on the groundbreaking Samsung Galaxy Cheese? No? Well, now you know. Just kidding guys, that was someone using their fake branding, but today's video is about the return of the Samsung Galaxy X. The X here refers to the foldable phone, although there were rumors that the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy X will be the same phone. But as far as the leaks goes, the S10 is not going to be a foldable phone. So they are two separate devices, and as DJ Ko himself said, that this is going to be a brand new lineup. So what's up with the Galaxy X? We haven't heard about it much until recently. There's been some new information from Korean news Bell. They published a new report that details the Galaxy X even further and updates us on Samsung's current design mindset. Along with that, we have a new innovative flexible screen patent that we're going to take a look later. Now, as we heard before, Samsung showed the prototype of the Galaxy X at a secret CES meeting showing the infolding of the phone, kind of like a wallet. But now we have more insight on that VIP meeting, revealing what really is the Galaxy X. So according to the report, the Galaxy X has 3.5 inches of OLED display. Up front, you'll have a 3.5 inch display on the first half, and then the second half will be 3.5 inch as well. Of course, it's gonna be a flexible panel. And then there's going to be a third 3.5 inch display on the back of it, which users will interact with when the phone is folded. So as I said, on the front, we have two 3.5 inch displays, which means it's gonna be around the same size as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8's phablet size. Now, since the size is very close to the size of the Galaxy Note 8, it seems like Samsung will not going to be doing the tablet turned phone design for now at least. They want to do something that'll be more achievable till the 2019 or early 2019, which is the rumored date, so it's pretty much like a bendy Note 8. Samsung has already given orders to the suppliers. The report states that Samsung will be mass producing 500,000 to 2 million units, which is way less compared to the normal 10 million units they normally produce for the Galaxy S and the Note lineup. And the reason for that is that it's going to be a pilot launch. Pilot launch is basically a small experimental launch for a device, and the last time Samsung did a pilot launch was for a smartphone called as Samsung Galaxy Round, which was the first time we saw the curved display that later on got perfected with this edge design. So it's not a sample, that's for sure, but still Samsung is keeping a foot on the brake. Judging from the comment from one of the partners, seems like the launch of the Galaxy X will be in early 2018 based on the production parts in late 2018. The report further says that Samsung is so cautious that foldable is the last remaining card in the hardware innovation. It kind of makes sense. I mean, we have come this far. We have this beautiful bezel-less displays. We're making progress. We're getting rid of the bezels. But if we look at the distant future, foldable phones are the next big thing. So they're taking their time with their first release because this will set generations of phones to come. Because, like I said, foldable is the future. It's also rumored that the Galaxy X will be the first Samsung phone to have a full Force Touch implementation, which we have seen with the Galaxy S8 and Note 8 and S9 at a certain area when you hard press at the home button. But we'll see the complete implementation on the Galaxy X as far as this, according to some of their recent patents. The design of the Galaxy X will get finalized in June of 2018, which means that in about 2 months, they will finalize the design. So we'll definitely see some more leaks really soon. Also, a new patent showed the further of Samsung's innovation in this foldable business. So the patent shows a device which has one large flexible screen. The housing consists of 3 parts, 2 narrow sections at each end, with one big large flexible display in the middle, which actually shows 3 different applications running at the same time on one screen. So this really tells, of course, that's going to be the best part of having a big foldable display, that you're going to have a true multitasking experience. You can also use the 2 far ends as keyboard and use the middle part as the screen, kind of like a laptop, or just use one big giant screen. And once you fold it, it's going to look like this, and the middle section of the display can be used as a regular smartphone. Now, the patent further shows that how this flexible screen phone can be used in different situations, like using in a car by the means of a magnetic holder on top of the dashboard, so the full width of the screen can then be used, for example, as a navigation system. In the very far future, we might actually see a 3D foldable smartphone, which will allow the screen to get bended or twist it in different ways. You can bend it on your wrist, kind of like the futuristic concept we have seen a couple of years ago. But it also shows us a tablet-turned phone foldable device. So once Samsung is done with a proper foldable phone, they're going to focus on making a tablet/phone hybrid foldable device. So here we have a 7-inch display where the sides will bend, thus converting the tablet in a large screen smartphone. Although it still looks really big on this patent, but the idea of tablet turned smartphone is very real, and Samsung will ultimately do it in the future. So yeah guys, that's all we know on the Samsung Galaxy X, the foldable phone. It's coming in 2019. Its design will get finalized in June of 2018, which is 2 months away. It'll have total of 3 displays, 2 3.5-inch OLED flexible displays up front, and a 1 3.5-inch OLED display on the back. And there's a huge chance that it might actually be fully Force Touch implemented. So let me know your thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy X. I gotta say, I mean, Galaxy S10, I'm excited about that. 2019 is going to be incredible year from Samsung. I mean, Galaxy X, Galaxy S10, Note 10, that year is going to be amazing. I can't wait for that. Of course, we'll see the Note 9 this year, so I'm also a little bit excited for that. I'm going to be making some more videos really soon on the latest leaks and everything, so make sure to subscribe. Like this video if you enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.